Hey everybody, welcome to A&M Moto Toys, where we rent out affordable bikes for you all to be able to check out this great country of ours, especially the state of Colorado. This is the GPX Moto FSE450R. It's a 2022, it has a 6-speed transmission. The Zhongshun engine is their own design on this bike, but the body is basically KTM Husky combination. I have on the highway dirt bike guards with double mirrors. They fold out, so when you're on the road, if you jump on like a Jeep trail or something, you don't want to break a mirror and have to buy me a new mirror, then just fold them on in. Get their dual. I put both on. It has turn signals. It is plated. It has a lithium battery. It has dot tires, has the Tusk Adventure front tire, and it has the Kinda Trackmaster 2 rear tire. Works really good in this Colorado decomposing granite. It has a baffle for the exhaust. And it has 2 radiator fans. Like I said, 6-speed transmission. This is where you check the oil. You can also put oil in through there if you wanted. And it has a HID headlight, low and high beam. Otherwise, it's pretty much your standard kind of dual sportish dirt bike that you can get. And I have the key mounted over here because of the highway dirt bike guards. Turn it on, comes on. I have 49 miles thus far, mile per hour, tach meter. And excuse the wind, this is Colorado, it can be windy. You got your voltage and you got your gear selects over here. It's in first gear, and there we have it. Then you turn it off, there you go. Shouldn't really need to take the key out, but you can take the key out if needed, if you're going in to eat or whatever. You got your standard setup here. You got your horn, you got your turn signals and cancel middle, your low beam, high beam, your bright flash. Turn it on, that is out. Turn the key on and pull in the clutch because I know it's in first gear, and hit the start button to kill the bike. There you go. Just like that. Turn it completely off. There you go. This is the coolant overflow container because it has dual fans versus the FSE450R. They had it mounted up here. Gas cap standard. To get the seat off is an 8mm socket right there, or I don't know the size of the Torx, but or you could use a Torx, but it's 8mm. I'll keep the registration papers under this cover, so it's just Velcro. That way, if you did get pulled over, you're unlucky, or a ranger or something wanted that, it's right there. I do have OHV tag on all my bikes. It's well worth the $25.25 for in Colorado because it goes right to trails. I will be running this bike for on-road, but if you want, you can select the off-road option. That way you're covered. Should you bring it to like Captain Jack's, I'm okay with that. This is a pretty flowy trail. Pipeline's a little hard, Mount Rosa. It's going to be up to your experience and what parts you want to replace should you throw the bike. But I think a lot of people should be able to do this. Some people might drop it even on this, but this is pretty beginner. You have to watch for hikers and mountain bikers out here. That's pretty much it for the GPX Moto FSE450R. You can rent this bike and you can click on the link in the description here, and that will take you to ammototoys.com. And then you can look at the bikes that we have to rent. We're going to have 2 FSE400Rs, 1 FSE450R, that's this bike, and then a FSE250E, I believe. And Moto Toys. Email will be in the description. If you would like to do like longer term rental, maybe you're flying into the US and you want to rent a bike and go see the Colorado Tat or some other great Colorado place, let's arrange that ahead of time. And I'll probably work with you on pricing for longer term rental. Never hurts to ask, right? And we can go from there, because I will definitely help you if you're an overseas person. I have a few friends that have Airbnbs, and that might work out for you too. So you might have a place to hang your hat, rent a bike, and then move on and come back and have a place to stay, return the bike, and we could do all that. So yeah, anyways, just contact me if you have any questions or concerns. Have a good one, take care, stay well, and hopefully see you out here on the trails. Bye.